Hello everyone, welcome to Asheville. Today we do preview on this beautiful house right in downtown Asheville. There is bowling alley in front of the house and walking distance to all the restaurants and shops. This is a mid-century ranch home. It offers spacious 3-bedroom and also separate living quarter downstairs with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. So we're gonna see the upper level first. It's main level, and then we'll go check the basement. This listing is presented by Ann Roth with Nest Realty. So let's go see what's inside. I love the columns.
Me too.
And a fancy front door. So this is a stucco. Looks pretty cool.
I like the stonework.
Yes. We're walking in right into dining room. We have a living room on the left and the kitchen on the right. Let's go check the kitchen first. So kitchen cabinets are nice, counter is nice and clean, it's not a granite. There is a featured trash rolling. So tile floors, everything in the kitchen looking good. Refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and a laundry room right here.
It's a nice and big one.
Yes, side by side. And some space for your stuff. So this closet is locked at this moment, but we will unlock if you buy it. So we have 4 breakfast chairs. Probably would be nice if I was sitting here and someone cooked breakfast for me.
Oh yes.
Don't you think?
The best. Check out the lights.
Oh yeah. There is a purple lights up there and a different level of ceiling. So 6-chair dining table. Probably you can fit a bigger table here. And a cozy living room. This is the original fireplace, wood burning. Do not use fireplace, decoration only. So, not sure if it's working or not. We'll check it during due diligence period. So there's a tile, darker tile on the wall and lighter tile on the bottom.
It's a good contrast.
Yes,
I like it.
looks very clean. So we have 3 bedrooms on the main level. So there is a smaller bedroom on the very left, living closet.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at the beds.
Yes, it's decorated pretty well. And a lot of lighting in this room. We have another gloomy day and we don't have sun coming in, but still a lot of light.
Hey, we're doing something amazing today.
Yay! And there's another bedroom right next to it with a double closet. This is a smaller room.
What year is this house?
This house was built in 1955.
I love the wood floors.
Did you see the living closet?
Very nice. Good space utilization over the stairs.
Yes. So there is a full bathroom.
Nice. It's a very spacious one.
Yes. Do you like the tile?
It's dark, not really.
but I like the ceiling.
Yeah, look, they could put another set of lights there.
And the sink counter is granite.
I think it all goes well together.
Yes, waterworks. And check out the master bedroom. So we have entrance to the porch and a big bathroom. Go check the bathroom first. So one sink, lots of closing cabinets, a big tub.
Oh, I love this. A world
Jacuzzi.
tub. Yeah, jacuzzi.
And the shower. Look at the size of this closet.
It's like another tiny room.
Yeah.
Whoa. So big.
There's another door right here.
I wonder what that is. Oh, a toilet.
Awesome. Private toilet.
Keep all the stinkies there.
So the house has nice colors.
This room is nice and big too.
Let's
Look
go
at
see
their
outside.
deck. Glance at the deck. Whoa.
I need to unlock it first. The deck is very private.
I like it that they put the fencing up.
And it's so quiet, hard to believe that we are right in Asheville. Like walking distance to restaurants. That's unbelievable. So
I love this canopy. Look, you can have a nice big party and not get rained on.
yep. And there's another door going right to the kitchen. So through the little hole, so you can carry plates and sit and eat outside. Pretty convenient. So which door are you going? Master bedroom or?
Oh, let's go through the kitchen.
Yeah, let's go this door.
I'll go to the kitchen.
So now we need to find entrance to the basement, and we're gonna show you separate living quarter and basement in a second.
I think this is the basement. They just locked it. And the reason I think it is because of the linen closet being above the entrance to the basement.
There is another reminder, do something amazing, so we'll try to do that. And look at this door. It shines light through so nicely. So this house can be yours for $693,000. It's not completely updated, but location is very amazing and it's quiet and you can walk to the bowling alley. And we're still your buyer's agents. Please call us, numbers you will see below or in the description, and we can answer any questions about this house. So we found where is the basement door. It's on the side of the house and neighbors have a cool fountain so you can hear the water. Let's go see the basement apartment. It also has a garage. Look how cool it is. You can walk it to the backyard. Little private remove your shoes spot.
A coffee drinking area.
Look at this.
Oh, that's so cute. Look at the pool.
It is cute. So what do we have here? We have a big kitchen with a breakfast area and a granite. Is this granite?
I don't think so.
No, but
It
looks
looks
like granite.
like-
Yes. Older appliances, but that's all you need. I love these cabinets.
They look like maple.
Yes, it's all tile throughout the basement.
And the cute sitting area.
So there is next to the kitchen, there is entrance to the garage. And garage is pretty spacious.
Nice. Does it have a laundry there?
There is a utility room. Oh, look, we didn't notice a desk.
Nice. Where's the light? Let's see the light. It is a utility room. There we go. 2 water heaters. Looks like washer and dryer hookups. That's an office.
Great office space. Let's see the main room. So this door was locked upstairs, so it's completely separate 2 apartments.
It's a studio-like.
Yes, with a big bathroom.
I love this. It looks so cute.
Yeah, all decorated. Little closet on my right, on the stairs.
Nice.
And let's go to the bathroom. So another tub with the jacuzzi.
Love it.
Little toilet. And this room is locked. This is probably a main closet, I would think so.
Or a shower?
What do you think, Tatyana?
I don't know, closet or shower? Because it doesn't have a shower unless they take one here.
Yeah, what do you think about this nice 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment?
It's cute. I think it's cute.
It's very cute. So, remind you one more time, we're your buyers, agents, Edwards Realty. Please call us and ask questions, and we can schedule a tour for you anytime. And we'll see you next video. Bye.